Assalamualaikum and very good day to Dr. Aizat. Today we would like to present on the case study, and the topic that we choose is ANN for Ethical Sustainable Development. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rizwan Hakimi bin Muhammad Jafri, and my partner name is Surana Ainun Anwar. We move on to the first slide. Okay, first thing first, what is ANN? ANN, or the full name is Artificial Neural Network, is to simulate the network of neurons that make up a human brain, so that the computer will able to learn things to make decision in a human-like manner. And for the diagram is the feed forward, and this will be explained more later. Okay, next slide. The implementation of ANN, the ANN is needed in electrical load forecasting. It is really important for the proper functioning planning for utility company. The ANN is to solve problem in power plants and power system, tuning of controller, process identification, sensor validation, and many more process. And the figure is the power consumption in Malaysia until August 20. Okay, next slide. The benefits of ANN. There are so many benefits of the ANN in the power consumption. The first one is to prevent overload, to reduce energy poverty, to increase consumer awareness about energy efficiency, to provide the end user market, and to improving the load forecast accuracy, to supply electricity at the least possible cost, and the lastly is to saving in operation and maintenance cost. This will save a lot of the money. Okay, next slide. The training data that needed is there are 4. The first one is weather forecast, because the weather can influence on the current. The second one is residential and industrial power usage. The third one is the day and night power usage, and the last one is festival power usage. So the company need to predict the power consumption in order to give the market needed. Okay, next slide.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Now I will be explaining my part, which is feed-forward network. Okay, in the first slide, we have shown, Doctor, that we have decided to use feed-forward for our artificial neural network. So what is feed-forward network? Feed-forward network, also known as deep feed-forward network or multiplayer perception, or most common known as MPL. This type of network is most widely used for forecasting or prediction purpose. Generally consists of 3 layers, which is input layer, a hidden layer, and output layer. Each layer consists of neurons, which are connected to the neurons in the previous and following layers by connection weights. So for the next slide, we have chosen Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm as our training function. This is the flowchart of how Levenberg-Marquardt works. Is also known as the damped least squares method. It has been designed to work specifically with loss function, which take the form of a sum of squared errors. That makes it to be very fast when training neural networks measure on that kind of errors. So for the next slide is mean absolute error. We have chosen mean absolute error other than squared error for our performance metric, because it measures the average magnitude of the errors in a set of prediction without considering their direction. On average, all individual differences have the same weight as the test sample of absolute difference between the forecast and the actual observation. It can range from 0 to infinity and are indifferent to the direction of errors. MAE is also a negatively oriented score, which means lower values are better. This is the given equation for MAE. So that's all from us. Thank you.